What's up guys, this is Modders Tutorials and I'm going to show you how to install Freestyle Dashboard on your Jtags. So go ahead and put up your Jtag right now. So you're going to need to download the files in the description and put them on a USB and put the USB on your Jtag. So then go to your dash and go to your game library and boot up XEX menu. Okay, you're going to want to go to the USB as soon as it boots in, and you have to log in. So yeah, go to USB and open the folder, and copy this directory. Sorry, I'm just trying to talk wide. It's about 12 a.m. Then open your hard drive, go content, and the first directory, which is about 10.0. Open code 9999, and you're going for, if you didn't use the file in the description, you're going to press Y and create a new directory with 4 zeros, a 7, and 3 zeros, or you can just paste it in. Okay, go ahead, open the folder and open the default XEX. And this will load up your Freestyle Dashboard. Okay guys, subscribe, like this video, and comment below if you want to suggest something. Alright, let us.